Hey everybody! Today's video is going to be how many ducks I can make in 2 hours. Now I've already recorded this so I know how many I made, and I was really hoping to make more, but I don't know if I'm just a slow crocheter or what. But we'll just get to that part of the video and then I'll be back showing y'all the finished duck or ducks, however many I made. So let's just get to that and I'll see you there. Bye! Hey guys, I'm back, and y'all saw the process of the ducks. I didn't want to continue recording and like showing y'all all the ducks because it's the same process for everyone. So after the 2 hours, I made 4 ducks. So I got 2 ducks in 1 hour. And I don't really know if that's good or bad because these are pretty tiny. But yeah, there they are. They're pretty cute. That is it for today's video. There's really not much else to say. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if there's anything else that y'all would like to see in the future, just let me know. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye everyone!